Hello everyone, this is Titus Judson Thamburaj from SNS College of Technology from the Department of Technology. I'm going to share up CLT on the topic culture meat. The subject is in 1992, the South African meat industry was deregulated, leading to the Abattoir Industrial Act 24, 1976 being repealed, and the Abattoir Commission being disbanded. The removal of these restrictions allowed the wholesalers to source live slaughter of the animals directly from the farmers to the feedyards. Most importantly, meat inspections became a private activity, allowing the abattoir owners to employ their own meat inspection personnel. This activity declined the management of hygiene practices. So the definition: culture meat, also known as cultural meat, is genuine animal meat that is produced by cultivating animal cells directly. Uh, the cultivated meat is made up of all same types arranged in the same or similar structure of animal tissue. Decades of accumulated knowledge in cell structure, stem cell biology, tissue engineering, fermentation, and chemical processes of engineering proceed the field of cultivated meat. Hundreds of companies across the world are ready to manufacture commodity meat products at industrial scales. The lead is very simple. Manufacturing process begins with acquiring and granting stem cell from an animal. These cells are grown in bioreactors and at high density volume, similar to what happens inside an animal body. The cells are fed oxygen and inorganic salts and supplemented with protein and other growth factors. The process is expected to take between 2 to 8 weeks depending on what kind of meat is being cultivated. Some companies are pursuing with a similar strategy to create milk and other dairy. The benefits of cultivated meat is more by its efficient process. Cultivated meat is expected to have a variety of benefits over the conventional animal agriculture. Prospecting life cycle and assessment include that it requires significantly less land and water, emit fewer greenhouse gases, and reduce agriculture-related pollution and eutrophication. Over the few decades, cultivated meat and other alternative products are predicted to take sufficient market share from 1.7 trillion conventional meat and seafood industry. This shift will mitigate agriculture-related deforestation, biodiversity loss, antibiotic resistance, zoonotic disease outbreak, and industrialized animal slaughter. The current state of cells is the starting inputs are cultivated meat are cells that self-renew and differentiate. Otherwise, these are called as stem cells. Stem cells are cultivated meat productions can be acquired or derived in several ways. First way is very similar. They are done sample from a live animal. In all these cases, there are so different types of stem cells, and they are used to develop a whole organism or a single organ of it. So when this cultivated meat will make it to the market as of mid 2020, the first country to allow its existence is Singapore. 1880 hotels in Singapore has make a historic first commercial sale of the approved cultivated chicken bite produced by the California-based Eat Lest. So many companies are transitioning to pilot scale the facility that will manufacture the first wave of commercial products following regulatory approvals. So there are some disadvantages under biological design and scaffoldings. Solving these challenges and propelling the cultivated meat industry to maturity will require an influx of both private and public sectors. The field will also need new companies, contribution from existing life science companies, and openness to the collaboration from existing and cultivated meat companies. So the assessment questions are: so I thank you for my teachers and my college for giving me this wonderful opportunity, and thank you all for listening to my words with such patience. Thank you.